Hello people, I will be showing you my clear slime collection. First, I will be showing you a bowl with this. I am getting the withered slime slash glue of the sides. So also guys, it is mom. So now.
Sophie, save me! Oh no, Sophie, save me! Sophie, save me!
Okay. So I almost stopped it.
Sophie, please.
I have this.
Sophie!
It's clear. Focus! Focus! So it does not stretch. It is a putty.
That's cool.
So as you can see, it is not stretchy at all. Okay, well, it's got a little stretch. You have to go like
It's not bad
really
for 40
slow.
bucks. It's pretty cool.
Okay,
Kelly.
we're getting somewhere.
It's like a air conditioner for your room. It cools up to 45 square feet.
Ooh. Ooh. That was nice. Let's try again. Why you partly never see me? Okay, so we're just gonna like squish it down. This is more like a putty. Like if you're like stretched out at school, you can use this. Whatever works for you. But I definitely use this for school, like just to squish. Like if you're really irritated, you could just like. But also, I will be showing you guys this and watch. It's so freaking stretchy. Watch. So I made a ball. Watch. It's so bouncy. So we're just gonna stick that in there. Also this.
Who's using all these cups, guys? Holy shit.
One of the blue ones is mine.
Only because
The one that's by your knives is mine. That's why I've been using it for water.
So I will be showing you my one clear slime. I have honestly two of them, but yeah. I didn't add any lotion, nothing. I didn't add any water the last time. I did not film it. But when you add water to clear slime, it turns it really not stretchy. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get situated. Okay. Okay, so this is my clear slime. I put it in a bag because bags, I feel like, are more like secure. Like they rip, but containers can break and like crack easily, and bags are really like wiggly and stuff, and slime is really wiggly and stretchy and stuff, and it's a substance. So I'll give you a close-up glimpse. Should I get all this out? And what's really nice about a bag, like using slime, like using a bag for slime, for a slime container, is that most people use the bags, like these kind of plastic bags, like these, Ziploc. And you can even use like containers and put it in the bag if the container is broken. Whatever works for you. I'm just saying that I like bags much better than containers because you can actually get bags at the dollar store for $1 instead of the containers I mean, you can get containers at the dollar store. I just think that they're not that good.
Alright.
At first, I was thinking.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hurry.
At first, I was thinking about like putting this slime in
Good
here,
on tonight?
but this. Wait, let's see if it makes a flarp noise.
Hey, no, not on the face. Not on the face. Especially not on the eye. Oh my gosh. Oh, this dog.
Okay, let's do a flarp noise. Let's try to. Okay, nope. Let's try again. Walk it like I took it. Walk it like I took it.
Okay, Mason, keep it down a little bit, please.
Well, it has a really good poke in the container, but so let's smell this. Does it smell good?
Ow! He ran after my nose. Ow!
Yeah, I'm gonna own it. You can watch me. There's gonna be mountain. So also go and watch Miranda sings. So this is gonna be my youth. This is like really good. Watch my fingers. Okay, let's do some pet peeves with some slime. So I'm gonna put you guys somewhere. Just one spot.
Keep me down.
Alright.
Keep me down, sucker.
Focus.
I'm gonna drain these and then you can do them.
Ow!
You can get the
Ah,
milk
you
out
feisty.
and the butter's out.
What are you doing?
Okay, so just focus.
That hurts.
But this is really good.
Fall! Don't fall off. I said.
So that's what the slime looks like. It's not that pokey or anything, but it's still pretty fun to play with. And for stress relief, so you can also like just squish it around.
No.
But
Bad boy.
yes.
Bad boy. Bad boy. Bad.
So that's a clear slime.
Yeah.
He doing this little brat.
Oh, Boo Boo. Boo Boo's not a brat. But yeah,
Be
so
nice.
I'm gonna
No
let
bites.
you guys
No.
look at that.
No bites.
You heard what the boss said. You heard what
Okay,
the
so-
boss said.
That's what this is. And it's not that stretchy as I told you. It's just like
Is he gonna be okay now?
a normal putty. So next we move on to my big slime. I'm only gonna bring like, okay, I can try to bring the whole thing out.
I gotta go. I'm gonna have a cigarette.
Probably
and
not.
then
No.
Come back in and we can eat. Tess, get all that put away because we're gonna eat. Put it all away.
So guys,
Now.
this is what it looks like.
Tess, put it away.
It's really clear.
Tess, what did Auntie just tell you?
Put it away. We're gonna eat now, please.
I know, in a minute. So that is what this slime is. So the first slime pet peeve is going to be on when they have putty and they zoom in so much and they act like it's such a big slime.
Okay? You go with the water then. Nobody knows.
When they poke the slime so much that the slime just does not work anymore and you can't really stretch it.
Did you buy a new one or no?
So we're gonna do some ASMR right here. The lighting, I'm sorry guys, the lighting is so bad. Okay, so we're gonna need this to focus on the slime. So it's just... So